And I want to start out with Hurricane Ian, which is down in the Caribbean right now. This is going to pose a big threat to parts of the United States. Very strong storm developing here. Right now, it's just a Category 1 storm. That's nothing to shy away from. Winds still 75 miles an hour, starting to churn just to the south of Cuba, which is here. We do expect that it's going to cross over Cuba tomorrow. And then once it gets into the Gulf, it's going to rapidly intensify. Category 4 status likely. Winds of 130 to 140 miles an hour as it approaches the Big Bend of Florida. Now, it does look like it's going to weaken a little bit, maybe a Category 3, but that is still a major hurricane with winds of 115 miles an hour. Right now, landfall possible anywhere from Tampa up to Destin. So if you've got plans in Florida, especially by the end of this week and the weekend, that is going to be something you'll want to watch for carefully. It does look like after that, generally going to remain to the north and continue through Georgia and the Carolinas. So we don't expect any impact from Ian here. And you can see that in our rain chances for the next 7 days. Absolutely no chance of rain. And that sunshine is going to continue for much of the next week, maybe week and a half. Outside right now looking good. We've got a couple of clouds over I-40 and Sycamore View, but generally clear skies, and it is a little cool out there, especially if you're cool-natured. 52 Blytheville and Dyersburg, 54 Oxford and Covington, 61 right now in Memphis and in Olive Branch, Mississippi. Now, as we go into the afternoon, we do expect that sunshine to continue. And speaking of sunshine, a cool fact for you today. Today is the fall equinox in Memphis. What that means, we have equal parts day and night. The sun is rising at 6:51 a.m. and setting at 6:51 p.m. So our sunrises are getting later, sunsets are getting shorter. That means we are going to have shorter days over the next several months now that we've passed that fall equinox. Through the day today, we do expect sunny skies, a little cool to start, but our high temperatures today going to be around 81 or 82 degrees. Low humidity, a nice breeze. That's going to make it feel nice to us. We could have wind gusts 15 to 20 miles an hour, but that, like I said, combined with the dry conditions, could actually lead to an increased fire danger today. So if you normally burn your trash or do outside burning today, if you have a bad habit of throwing your cigarette butts out, today's not the day to do that. You shouldn't be doing that any day, but today especially, because a fire can start just like that, and it's going to be harder to control a fire on a day like today with all that wind out there. We had that cold front come through yesterday. That brought us the storm Saturday night. It is moving away. We're going to have high pressure settle in. So beautiful weather for us for the next several days. You can see Hurricane Ian impacting Florida, but it is going to stay well to our east. And our nice weather is going to continue here for a while. Check out the 7-day forecast. Today, not quite as hot, 81 degrees. Even cooler for the rest of the week. 80 on Tuesday. We're looking at 70s, folks. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Overnight lows going to be in the 40s in many spots, especially Thursday morning. Now, we do get back to the 80s by the weekend, but sunshine continues. That humidity remains low. So in general, next 7 days, a beautiful forecast for you. No chance of rain anywhere in the forecast.